Dear students, so today I start with structures for realization of discrete time systems. You know that by now we have designed or we have studied a lot regarding DSP, that is designing of filters, discrete time systems and so on. So a discrete time system consists of hardware, mainly adders, multipliers and delays. So today we will see through an example that how we can realize this expression using adders, multipliers and delays. So let me start with the example, this one. Let me tell you one thing, that there are other methods as well, but for the semester exam purpose you have two methods which you will have to practice, that is direct form 1 and direct form 2. So this is a discrete time signal given by the input and output relation. So if I take the Z transform of the above expression, I come to this part. I get this expression. So if I try to realize this expression using direct form 1, that is, I will replace the system with adders, multipliers and delays. So let me consider the xz part is equal to wz, that is xz plus 3z inverse xz plus 2z inverse xz is equal to wz. So the above expression comes to this form, as you can see. So now see what I have done. So xz is the input, yz is the output and wz is an intermediate term which I have generated. So if I go into this expression, see what I have done, that is xz is equal to wz is equal to xz plus 3z inverse xz plus 2z to the power minus 2 xz. So here you see wz is equal to xz. This is a delay, that is z inverse. So I get at this node is z inverse xz, a multiplying factor 3. So here I get 3 z inverse xz, the adder, and it comes to wz. Similarly, further when I go, you see I have a z inverse over here, I have a z inverse over here. These two are connected. So 2z inverse means 2 unit delay, that is z to the power minus 2 multiplied by xz means I get z to the power minus 2 xz. A multiplier 2, so I get 2z to the power minus 2 xz over here. So finally, when I come to this node, what I get over here, when I come to this node, I get wz is equal to xz plus plus 3z inverse xz plus 2z to the power minus 2 xz. So this part is satisfied. Now let me see the other part as well. So let me see the other part as well. What I have over here, I have yz is equal to minus 3 by 8 z inverse yz plus 3 by 32 z to the, I have this expression. So I'll have to realize this part using adders, multipliers and delays. So how do I reach to this point? How do I get this block diagram? That is wz is equal to yz. This I get. So I put a z inverse over here. So at this point what I get, z inverse yz multiply the multiplied by a multiplier, that is minus 3 by 8. So I get minus 3 by 8 z inverse yz. The adder, it comes over here. So at this point now I have wz plus this part. Again similarly, the z inverse multiplied by 3 by 32, I get this factor, it goes over here. And finally, when I another z inverse, that is I get over here z to the power minus 3 yz multiplied by 1 by 64, I get, it reaches to this point through the adders over here. So finally I come to this expression. So another method is the direct form 2. The initial expression was given with this one. I get the Z transform. So I take the YZ terms in one side and the XZ the other side. So this is so this I get from here. I get yz by xz is equal to this one. Let yz by xz is equal to yz by wz into wz by xz, and from here let the yz by wz is equal to the numerator part, and this and yz by wz by xz is the denominator part. So when I rewrite the expression, I get yz is equal to this one and wz is equal to this one. So how do I realize the structure? So this is the expression which I get. I finally so how do I realize the structure? That is, xz is the input, yz is the output, wz the intermediate term which I have generated. So xz comes here, wz minus multiplied by z inverse 3 by 8, it goes over here. Similarly, this multiplies by 3 and it goes over here. Again this multiplied, it goes over here. It is multiplied over here, it goes over here, and it is multiplied by here and it goes over here. So by this formula, you see what I get at this point. If I consider this part, yz is equal to wz plus 3z inverse wz plus 2z to the power minus 2 wz. You see, yz is equal to yz is equal to wz plus 3z inverse wz plus 2z to the power minus wz. So the condition is satisfied. Similarly, I will satisfy this part as well. You see how do I do? So here I get wz is equal to xz plus the wz minus by z, multiplied by z inverse multiplied by the wz passes through this delay, that is z inverse. So I get over here z inverse wz multiplied by this factor. I get over here and it comes over here. So what do I get? Wz is equal to xz plus z minus 3 by 8 z inverse wz. Similarly, here I get z to the power minus 2 wz multiplied by this factor, and similarly z to the power minus 3 wz over here multiplied by 1 by 64, and I come to this expression. Hopefully you have understood. So see the problems carefully. If any doubt, you can clarify with me on the online classes. Thank you.